dump these embers into the garbage. But don't do it if you have compost out front, or you might burn your porch down and burn your house down. You know who I'm talking to. Not you, but I'm talking to somebody out there. The remaining small amount of ash can be disposed of by rinsing. Now, my sons did that right over there at Jeff's. Brand new, Ian just built a porch. They cleaned the stove out, put it in a 5-gallon bucket and set it on the porch. Plastic bucket. Burned a hole in the porch. We covered it up for quite a while, but eventually Jeff saw it and he was pretty upset. And we'll burn my house down. Yeah. I mean, it burned a hole right through the porch. It was right all the way through the wood.
Oh, shit.
Didn't light anything up on fire. It was green wood or something, but it burned it. A 5-inch diameter hole. However, even if you don't clean it, it won't rust. It will just become less aesthetically pleasing. But it should color too. In addition to the embers, you may also need to clean some burn marks of burning stainless steel. Brown, black metal oxide film. Usually these burn marks need to be scrubbed clean with a rag or brush soaked in baking soda solution. Please consult the relevant professionals for details. Got any relevant professionals? Warranty. All Crown Fire products undergo, from their conception to their series production, many phases of planning and testing. In manufacturing and assembly, only high-quality materials as well as most modern methods